In this video, you will learn how to delete blocked iPhone contacts. So if you want to delete blocked contacts on iPhone, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to delete blocked contacts on iPhone. In order to delete blocked contacts on iPhone, you have to simply go to settings. And once you are settings, you have to scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Here you have to scroll a bit and there you will find the option for phone call settings. So tap on phone when you find that, and after that you have to simply scroll all the way down and there you will see the option for blocked contacts. Tap on blocked contacts and after that you'll see all the blocked contacts here available. Currently you can see there are 326 iPhone contacts that are on my blocked list, so I can tap on it, and after that if I want to delete any of these blocked contacts, I'll simply swipe left like this and tap on unblock, and that will simply unblock this contact or delete it from blocked list on my iPhone. And apart from that, I can also tap on edit and then I can simply tap on this minus sign to delete this blocked contact from iPhone, and that will simply remove it from blocked numbers list, and then I'll start receiving calls from this number again. And once you have deleted the blocked iPhone contact, simply tap done, and after that everything will be saved. So this is how you may delete blocked contacts from iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to block an email contact on iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.